Hello everyone, welcome to TVSL Mind C. I will offer you the insurance secrets that create millionaires today without Guru Mushti. Why you need auto insurance. As the population continues to grow, more cars and drivers hit the highways. With so many vehicles on the road, crashes are inevitable. Car insurance, auto insurance. As the population continues to grow, more cars and drivers hit the highways. With so many vehicles on the road, crashes are inevitable. Automobile insurance can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major hassle. But why do you need insurance, and just how much should you buy? Auto insurance is required by law in all states and protects you by paying for damage or injury you cause others while driving your car. Damage to your car or injury to you or your passengers in your car from a crash, and certain other occurrences such as theft and vandalism. Without insurance, you risk having to pay the full cost of any harm you cause others with your vehicle. Coverage requirements vary by state, but usually include the following: liability. It pays for damages due to bodily injury and property damage to others for which you are responsible. Bodily injury damages include medical expenses, lost wages and pain and suffering. Property damage includes damaged property and loss of use of property. State laws usually mandate minimum amounts, but higher amounts are available and usually recommended. Personal injury protection. This is required in many states. It pays you or your passengers for medical treatment resulting from a crash, regardless of who may have been at fault, and is often called no-fault coverage. It may also pay for lost earnings, replacement of services and funeral expenses. State law usually sets minimum required amounts. Medical payments. This coverage is available in some states, usually the states without no-fault insurance, and pays regardless of who may have been at fault. It pays for an insured person's reasonable and necessary medical and funeral expenses for bodily injury from a crash. Collision. This pays for damage to your car caused by collision. Comprehensive. This pays for damage to your car caused by, other than collision, including fire, wind, hail, vandalism and animal strikes. Uninsured motorist. This pays damages when an insured person is injured in a crash caused by another person who does not have liability insurance or by a hit-and-run driver. Underinsured motorist. This pays damages when an insured person is injured in a crash caused by another person who does not have enough liability insurance to cover the full amount of the damages. Auto insurance premiums vary widely from company to company and will depend on several factors, including what coverages you select, the make and model of the car that you drive, your driving record, your age, sex, and marital status, and where you live. Many people think of auto insurance as a necessary evil that can save your financial well-being. Evaluate your needs. Do your research and make the decision that best suits you. See you again. Thank you very much for coming to this channel.